Books to strengthen your money, wealth, and financial prosperity. What you choose to focus on will slowly manifest into your life if you desire it. If you're looking to boost your financial IQ, reading these books is one way to get started. A book is not to be put aside when you finish it, but to guide you, keep you on the right track, and to renew your mind every day. There is no magic trick that brings immediate prosperity, but knowledge helps, but more so, applied knowledge. These books offer unique insights that could help you take charge of your finances. Let's go right ahead and start with book number 1. Book number 1 is the Bible. Don't be surprised. Let me explain. The Bible gives us 4 fundamental purposes for money, which are to provide for basic needs, to confirm direction, to give those in need, and to illustrate God's power and care in provision. Understanding these purposes allows us to see how money relates to God's work in your life and community. One example is the verse 1 Timothy 6 verse 17. Command those who are rich in this present world not to be arrogant, nor to put their hope in wealth, which is so uncertain, but to put their hope in God, who richly provides us with everything for our enjoyment. Command them to do good, to be rich in good deeds, and to be generous and willing to share. The Lord didn't say we should be poor, but to be generous and willing to help others in need. The Bible is certainly a recommendation to start with, and with that, wisdom to create wealth, but more important, how to maintain it. Now we go to book number 2, Think and Grow Rich. Napoleon Hill devoted 25 years to finding out how the wealthy became that way. As a result, Think and Grow Rich was written. He numbered 13 steps in the book to be mastered. Some of those steps are desire, faith, organized planning, and so on. By understanding and applying these 13 steps, you can achieve your goals and change your life. Yes, and now we have reached book number 3, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Robert Kiyosaki shares the story of his 2 dads, his real father, whom he calls his poor dad, and the father of his best friend, the man who became his mentor, and his rich dad. One man was well educated and an employee all his life. The other one, his education was the street, but he took the path of entrepreneurship, a road that led him to become one of the wealthiest men in Hawaii. These very different points of view of money, investing, and employment shaped Robert's thinking about money. And here we have book number 4, Money, Master the Game. This book contains expert advice for readers of every income level, providing guidance through the steps to become financially free by creating a lifetime income plan. The book delivers invaluable information and essential practices for getting your financial house in order. And we have come to the last one, that is number 5, Secrets of the Millionaire Mind. T. Harv Eker states in this book, "Give me 5 minutes and I can predict your financial future for the rest of your life." He does this by identifying our money and success blueprint. We all have personal money blueprints ingrained in our subconscious mind, and it is these blueprints that will determine our financial lives. You can know everything about marketing, sales, negotiations, and the world of finance, but if your money blueprint is not set for a high level of success, you will never have a lot of money. And if somehow you do, you will most likely lose it. The good news is that you can reset your money blueprint to create natural and automatic success. And these are 5 books to reset your mind to become wealthy, not only in material, but more important, spiritual. If you had value out of this video, smash that like button, hit the subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Share the video and spread the knowledge. I'm Anthony Diego, and we'll see you in the next video.